Hi friends, I am Prabal Chakraborty. Today I want to discuss convergence of integral. Here 0 to infinity x to the power 1 by third and 1 plus x to the power half. Answer. We have 0 to infinity, our integrations is dx divided by x to the power 1 third into 1 plus x to the power half. Here fx is equal to 1 by x to the power 1 third into 1 plus x to the power half. Now take mu is equal to 5 by 6, and then whatever we get, limit x tends to infinity x to the power mu fx is equal to limit x tends to infinity x to the power 5 by 6 into 1 plus x to the power 1 third into 1 plus x to the power half. And here whatever I get limit x tends to infinity x to the power 5 by 6 into x to the power 1 third into x to the power half into 1 plus x to the power half equals to limit x tends to infinity 1 by 1 plus sorry 1 by x to the power half 1 by 1 plus 1 by x to the power half. So whatever I get the value is equals to 1, and therefore mu less than 1, and the limit is non-zero, therefore there is non-zero, therefore from mu test the given integral is divergent. What is mu test? Number 2, mu test definition. Mu test, suppose if be a bounded and integrable function in the interval a comma infinity, where a less than 0. If there is a number such that mu greater than 1 such that limit extends to infinity x to the power mu fx exists, then the integral a to infinity fx dx converges absolutely, absolutely. It is not conditional convergent, friends. It is absolutely convergent. Number 3, if mu less than equals to 1 such that limit extends to infinity x to the power mu fx exists and is not 0, then the integral, must remember I mark this mu less than equals to 1 and here mu greater than 1. This is the conditions, friends, and this condition will hold if mu greater than 1, in here also mu greater than 1 means converges, and here mu less than 1 means mu less than equals to less than 1, that's why it is divergent. So not 0, then the given integral a to infinity fx dx divergent and the same hold. And if also x to the power mu fx is plus infinity and minus infinity, then also it is not integrable.